Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about operators in Python. So firstly we'll open command prompt and then type Jupyter space notebook, and then our Jupyter notebook will be get opened. Now we'll go to new and then Python 3. Here is our Jupyter notebook. As you all know, we are today going to learn about operators in Python. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. Python language is rich in built-in operators and provides following types of operators. So types of operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational or comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, and membership operators. So firstly, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, modulus, remainder from division, and integer division. Here I am writing a code. I'll input first number and then second number and perform these operations such as addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, then floor, which is integer division, then modulus and exponent. So here is the output. I entered first number as 12, second number 2, the sum is 14, subtraction is 10, multiplication 24, division 6.0, floor 6, modulus 0, and exponent 144. Now we have assignment operators. In assignment operators, we have equal to, and then plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, and then forward slash equal to. I'll write a code: a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, print a and print b. So what we have done is assigned a value to a variable. So with this is assignment operator. Now I'm writing a plus equal to b. That means we are writing as a equal to a plus b. So a equal to 10 plus 20, we will print a. I'll get the value 30. Next we have comparison or relational operators. Here we have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. So I will write a code. A is equal to 201, B is equal to 20, C equal to A not equal to B. So when I will print C, I will get the output true. Because we have assigned the value C, the value A is not equal to B, which is true. So in the second code, I will write A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A greater than B. So I'll print C, I'll get the output false because A is less than B, not greater than B. Next, we have logical operators. In logical operators, we have logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So I'll write a code. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A and B and minus 30. So when I print C, I'll get the output minus 30. Logical AND means true if both operands are true. Now I'll write the another code. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C equal to 0 or A or B. So I'll print C and I'll get the output 10. Logical OR is true if either of operands is true. Now I'll write the another code. A is equal to 0, C is equal to not A and print C. I'll get the output true because not is true if operand is false. Next we have bitwise operator. In bitwise operators, we have bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift and ones complement. I write a code. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 6, print A and B. Then I'll print A or B. Then I'll write print A XOR B. I'll write print A left shift 2. Then print A right shift 2. And then ones complement of A. I'll get the output. A and B is 2, A or B is 14, A XOR B is 12, A left shift 2 is 40, A right shift 2 is 2 and ones complement of A is minus 11. Next we have identity operators. In identity operators we have two types of operators, that is which is identical and is not, that means not identical. Let us see a code. L1 is equal to square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. L3 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. We have two lists, L1 and L2. I'll print L1 is equal to L2. Here I get the output true because all the elements of L1 is equal to all the elements of L2 list. Then I'll write print L1 is L2. Then I'll get the output false because list 1 is not identical to list 2. Now I'll write L3 is equal to L1. So I'll print L1 first. Then I'll print L2. And now I will print L3. Now I will write print L1 equal to L3. That is true because we have in the starting assigned L3 is equal to L1. Then I'll write print L1 is L2. It will be false. Now I will write print L1 is L3. It will be true because L3 is equal to L1. Now I'll write print L1 is not L2. I'll get output true because L1 is not identical to L2. Then I'll write print L1 is not L3, which will be false because we have assigned L1 to L3. So L1 is L3, identical to L3. Now we have membership operators. N evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence, and not N, which evaluates to true if it does not find a variable in a specified sequence. I have a list L here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I print list L, I'll get all the elements. Now I'll assign a value 5 to a variable n, and I'll write n in L, which is true because element 5 is in list L. If I write n not in L, we will get output false. So let's recall what we have learned today. Operators in Python, types of operators, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational or comparison, logical, bitwise, identity, and membership. In arithmetic, we have these kinds of operators. And then in assignment operators, we have these operators. Comparison or relational operators. Then we have logical operators, logical and, or, and not. Then we have bitwise operators. Then we have identity operators, is and is not. And then membership operators, in and not in. Thank you so much.